Let's play a quick game. Imagine you need to launch a new product. You have two options. Option A, a team of 20 highly skilled professionals. Option B, one average team equipped with the latest AI tools. Which one would you choose? Most people instantly say option A. Today, AI is changing what a team can accomplish. For the last 2 years, everyone has been debating, will AI replace humans? But that's the wrong question. Nobody asks whether calculator replaced mathematicians or whether Google replaced researchers. Technology rarely wins by replacing people. It wins by changing how people work. And AI is doing exactly that. A startup founder today can do things that required an entire department just a few years ago. Today, one founder with the right AI stack can accomplish work that once required an entire department. But then, why are not AI companies winning everything? Because execution, I believe, is not the hardest part anymore. Decision making is. AI can give you 100 ideas, but it can't tell you which idea customers will love. AI can generate a marketing campaign, but it doesn't truly understand human emotions. AI can analyze customer feedback, but it doesn't sit in a boardroom and make a risky business decision. Think about the biggest technology companies. They are investing billions into AI. Yet at the same time, they are aggressively hiring product leaders, strategists, designers, and engineers. Why? Because even the smartest AI still needs human direction. What the smartest companies are actually doing? Many people assume AI is mainly helping startups, but some of the world's biggest companies are aggressively redesigning operations around AI. If I speak of customer support, companies are deploying AI agents to handle repetitive customer queries, reducing response times from hours to seconds. Human teams now focus on complex customer issues instead of answering the same questions repeatedly. Developers are increasingly using AI-assisted coding tools to accelerate development cycles, automate testing, generate documentation, and reduce repetitive engineering work. Now you'd be thinking what the result may look like. Engineers can spend less time on repetitive coding and focus more on solving real-life business problems. If I speak of enterprise operations, organizations are using AI to automate reporting, data analysis, forecasting, workflow management, and internal knowledge retrieval. Tasks that previously consumed entire teams can now be completed in minutes. The winners won't be human-only teams, and they won't be AI-only teams. The winners will be the teams that redesign how work gets done. So, who wins? AI or human teams? I would rather say neither of them. The real magic happens when both work together. The future belongs to organizations that combine machine speed with human creativity. And the companies that figure out first will define the next generation of industry leaders. And at Apptunix, here we are to help you with it. Thank you.